Hello, this is Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're going to show you how to make a grapefruit cooler. This is another drink that we just had a play around and came up with. So grapefruit cooler is not actually the legitimate name. If you've got a good name for this drink, send it into the comments and we'll have a look at that below. Take our Boston tin, and we want to take some nice red grapes, about 5. Just take our muddler, and we're gonna muddle those grapes. Just gonna smash them. Just wanna get the juice, and mostly we wanna get the color out. Next up, we're gonna take some lemon juice. We wanna stick a good 20 mils of lemon in. Agave syrup, but we want around about 10 mil, not too much. Next up, we're gonna add 45 mils Absolut Grapefruit Vodka. Next, we're gonna take some white wine. Any white wine will do. We want roughly around about 80 mils. And this is gonna create a real fresh but quite strong drink. Oof. A nice big chunk of ice. Let's get the shaker going. Ooh, we're done. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. Fill our glass with some ice. Looking good. Want to fine strain that in. And then just to garnish, just take a couple of little grapes, plonk it in there. The Grapefruit Cooler. I gotta taste this because this one's a little bit dangerous. The grapefruit is such a sophisticated taste, and then just adding that like layer of white wine, that crispness, that freshness. It's just everything you want on a summer's day, all in one glass. Real good. The Grapefruit Cooler. And if you've got a better name than that, write into the comments below.